I'm so embarrassed right now. I've just clocked that they're black-eyed beans, not black-eyed peas. So, so hi guys, it's Nompumelelo. So I'm saying my full name this month because it's a special month. Okay guys, it's Black History Month. And this is my flatmate and one of my good friends, you guys. And she's also one of the PJs. And yeah. Go on, Whitney.
Okay, it's Whitney. With a H. I don't know what to say that actual the time. Named after Whitney Houston. I know it's not as exotic as Noms, but hi guys. So, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna celebrate what it means to be black. So we're celebrating blackness, and you guys know it's Black History Month, and a lot of things are mentioned within this month. It's mostly about bringing about an awareness to black struggle, cultural changes, our history as well. And whilst that is also important, we also think it's also important to celebrate the good that's happened. You know, our traditions, our culture,
exactly our culture, and exactly our heritage. And we're from different parts. Actually, she's from like a different part of like, she's not even in the continent, like, but she's, you know,
big up Caribbean.
But yeah, so like, I'm from Zimbabwe, which is the south of Africa.
And I'm from Kingston in Jamaica, Spanish Town to be exact.
So we're gonna be making food for you guys today. We're gonna be trying out like some of our, I think, favorite dishes, but also putting in a spin in honor of our mothers.
Yeah.
In honor of our grandmothers. In honor of like, generations.
Yeah.
Yeah, and guys, stick around. We are making, go on with.
I'm making rice and peas, my mother's recipe with lamb.
And I'm making isichwala. Did I say that right? Wait, hold on. Isichwala, lempita, black-eyed peas. Black-eyed peas. That sounds so weird, because isn't that a group called Black-eyed Peas?
Yeah, they really do. I was wrong. We know I'm gonna be here.
But yeah, so like that translates to maize meal, greens, and black-eyed peas. So we're really excited to show you guys. And also, we're gonna review it. I'm gonna review the food.
Wait, what? Yeah. Okay.
I mean, this is a friendly competition.
Okay. I didn't know we were doing up MasterChef, but all right, it's on.
What? Okay.
Bam. Nice Sainsbury's. They're selling these for 30p now. You know they don't do plastic anymore. Like, I know the environment is important, but yeah.
Time to season.
Oh, Mum is frying the beans.
Frying the beans. We basically, I think it's tradition to fry everything.
Is it?
Look, we fry our vegetables.
You fry, hang on a second. You just threw shade at me for pangrilling lamb, and you fry vegetables.
Some of them the beans in water.
Okay, Mum. It's done. And it's only slightly burnt. You happy now, Mum?
Who burns rice?
Supposedly, black people don't burn rice. I've never heard of this.
What I call this chwala, which is also known as sadza, which is also known as maize meal. And what I'm doing right now is creating like a paste so it boils, so it's like porridge. But then you guys are gonna see the magic after. So this is Whitney's. Go on, rice and peas and lamb.
Yes.
And this one is mine. Like I said before, it's chwala, black-eyed beans, and greens. And chwala is maize meal. You can't really see it because it's like white. You can see it on the reflection right there. That's how it looks. Yeah. So, you know, we're gonna do a test now.
Yeah. Okay, so Mum is about to try mine. A moment of truth.
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, okay.
That's really tender.
Oh.
This is good. This is good, you guys.
Okay.
Not of truth.
This is actually the moment of truth, though. My ancestors bless me.
Not bad. Not bad, work.
Okay.
Not bad. I mean, I have a problem with salt though.
You love salt, though, don't you?
I would add salt. Go on now, wait.
Yeah.
Wait. There's a strategy to this.
Okay, there's a strategy.
There's a strategy to this. You have some of
The night, okay.
the maize meal,
Yeah.
and then you dip it in,
Mm-hmm.
and then you have some of the greens.
Ooh.
And there you go.
Okay. It's hot. I chewed so long because it grudges me to say it's good.